Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Guys, Cash App is hiring cash.app/careers. I will leave the link in the description of this video so you can come and take a look, guys. Life at Cash App, teams, locations, benefits, interviews, early careers. Redefine the world's relationship with money. We want to make the world's relationship with money more relatable, instantly available, and universally accessible. This is our mission, and it's why working at Cash App means so much more than a job. See all the jobs. Just click on here to see all the jobs. Life at Cash App. It all started with an idea at Square in 2013. Today, Cash App has thousands of employees working globally across offices and remote locations with a culture geared toward creativity, collaboration, and impact. You can click on here to click all the stories about Cash App. Teams. At Cash App, your team is the whole company. You work cross functionally and across time zones, no matter your role or location. Whether you're an intern or a lead, everyone here is an expert in something, and sharing what we know is the key to our success. So, guys, they're hiring worldwide businesses, customer apps, counsel, designing, creative, engineering, executive ops, experience, finance plus strategy, HR, ML plus data science, marketing, operations, product, and talent. It says, where do you want to work? We've been a distributed team since day one, and we've got offices and remote workers all over the globe. Our offices are great, but many of our roles can be done remotely from the countries where Cash App operates. No matter where the location, we tailor our support to ensure our employees are creative, productive, and happy. So, guys, you could do remote, you could do Waterloo, New York City, St. Louis, San Francisco, Toronto, Charlotte, Melbourne, Portland, Salt Lake City, Sydney. Their benefits, they have a wonderful benefit package here. Our benefits are centered around making sure the people have what they need to grow and succeed without compromising who they are. We want to help you plan for your future and take good care of yourself and your family today. So you got all of these paid off benefits. You can click on each one of these tabs. They're very clickable, and you can go to learn more about the benefits, the candidate, the journey, resume review. You can talk about early careers here, opportunities, culture, more info. Didn't find what you're looking for? Check the FAQs, careers. These are all of the careers guides that you can click on. For instance, this is your role, your type, your location. So if you wanted to do locations, these are all the locations. And you can also work from remote. The type that you're looking for, all types, full-time, part-time, contract, intern. You can do all of these. You see all of these jobs for the different categories that are open. And if you come down here and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all of the different positions that are currently open and available. Cash App has a really cool site here, as you can see, and you can just click on what's available, like finance and strategist, Cash App, strategic pricing. They're hiring for that, and you can just come down through here and see what they're hiring for legal, what they're hiring for operations, what they're hiring for information technology. You get the gist, guys. So sending super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles, guys. I am sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day, guys. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for liking this video so it'll show up in the algorithm. You guys are the very best. I appreciate you so much. Love you lots, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.